This video demonstrates the assembly process for a reinforcement cage featuring two stirrup types placed next to each other.
In this case, an open U-stirrup diameter 12 and a closed stirrup diameter 10 are placed on a 200mm spacing. The double grip teeth profile allows you to position two rebar items next to each other. Once all stirrups are at the right position, the bars can be added. By using the rebar bullet, multiple bars can be pushed through the stirrups. Notice how the bars slide easily into position, while the stirrups remain perfectly aligned in their designated locations. The rebar bullet has an inner diameter of 42mm, suitable for several smaller bars to be guided simultaneously. SKEW offers convenient rebar clamps to temporarily hold the bars in position. By using these clamps, all reinforcement can be positioned and all positions checked before fastening. The reinforcement can be fastened manually. Often, tying guns are used to speed up the process. It's also possible to weld the reinforcement or to use plastic clips. Due to the open nature of the jig system, there are minimal obstructions, making it easy to access the reinforcement while fastening.
SKEW Jig Systems. We've got you covered.